Hey guys, hope you're having a good day today, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to turn any one of your pictures or images on your computer into like a pencil/pen illustration drawing in Affinity Photo. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. Okay, so first things first, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go over here to your background and you're going to want to duplicate the layer. So you can do that real quick, just right click. And then next thing you're going to want to do is go to the adjustments, and then you're going to want to find the HSL. All you're going to want to do right here is go to saturation and drag it all the way to the left so you got like a black and white image going on. Next thing you're going to want to do is click on the duplicated layer, go to this normal tab, and you're going to go to color dodge. Select that right there, and then what you can do is hold Control I or Command I to invert the layer, just like so. And once you have that inverted, you can go up to the top of your screen, hit the Layer tab, go to New Live Filter Layer, click that, go to Blur, and then you're going to add a Gaussian blur. So there's this little radius tab down here, and when you go to the right, there will be more of a radius that pops up, so kind of looks like there's a sketch going on in the woods right there. And obviously you can edit this to how you like it, how much detail you want in the sketch or whatnot. But for this one I'll just go right here for now. And one last thing that you can add to make it look a little bit better is you go back to your adjustments and go to the levels, which is at the top here. And then you can adjust your black level, which will make it appear a little bit darker and a little bit more fine and sharpened. So yeah. Now for yourself, there's other ways you can do this through Affinity. There's a bunch of other tutorials on YouTube that you can find out how. Just want to let you guys know, I did get my wisdom teeth out, so that's why my face is super puffy and probably haven't been enunciating the best, but I'm trying my best to put out content for you guys, and yeah, this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching and making it to the end. It really means a lot to me, so I really appreciate you guys. I know I've been lacking a little bit on the uploads, but don't worry, I got some content coming out, so there will be videos on the way. For the time being, I'd really appreciate if you guys dropped a like and subscribe. It helps the channel a lot in the YouTube algorithm. But anyways, you guys have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one.